Hello and welcome to Cat Science Club for another one of our fun science activities. Please like and subscribe for more science fun. Growing up, I lived right next to St. Adalbert's. St. Adalbert's is a church on LaGrange Street. That church had these bells that were just amazing. And growing up, I really enjoyed listening to the bells. Today we're going to be making really cool sounds using just a coat hanger and string. And when you put it all together, it sounds just like church bells. With the help of our friends from Hunter Games, we made this awesome video for you to enjoy and to make some really cool church bells sounds.
Thank you for watching a Cat Science Club science activity video. Cat Science Club is an organization based out of the Toledo, Ohio area. Our goal is to bring activities, science camps, and science videos such as these to children in our area. We were founded by and we partner with educators in order to bring science to elementary students in fun and exciting ways. Our goal is that all students will remain engaged in science throughout their years in school. Like and subscribe and follow us on social media to help us with our mission. You will also be updated every time we post about our fun science activities.
So we collaborated with Hunter Games to bring you this next science fun activity. So please go to their channel and like and subscribe to their channel as well. That's Hunter Games. There'll be a link in the description below.
Hey, what's up guys, Hunter here, and today we're going to be doing an experiment with a hanger and string.
When doing this experiment, you will need the hanger, and when you twist the string around your finger and you hit the hanger against a harder surface, the vibrations from the hanger will travel through the string to your eardrums, and your brain will interpret as a sound. We're going to see if it works.
What you'll need for this experiment is a metal hanger, and you need to tie the string securely. 2 strings, you need to tie them securely onto the edges of the hanger. Then you need to wrap them around your finger and put it in your ear. That is like really awesome. I really like that. That's a cool noise.
That's really cool.
Alright, now describe what you guys heard.
When I did this experiment, I heard almost as a tiny bell.
When I did this, I kind of heard like a drum.
When I did it, I heard a garage door when you hit on a garage door.
It's kind of like a...
If you're interested in learning more about Cat Science Club, check us out online at catscienceclub.com. Thank you again for watching and enjoy your science activities.
So we collaborate. So we would like to... Today we're going to be making coat hangers. No, we're not making coat hangers. Today we're going to be making sounds with a coat hanger and some string. And when you put it all together, it sounds just like it sounds. I don't know, can I use any of this?